Okay guys, welcome back to my cars review again, and today I'm going to review at Trunken, the next gen racer. Comment down below if you want me to make more review of my cars or other toy hunt review as well when I'm going out. Okay guys, it's quite off blur, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, let's start off with the front first. It's so blur, sorry guys. Okay, let's start off here. Can you see? Let's compare with Dinosaur because Dinosaur is about the same design as at Trunken. So can you see? The expression is different. At Trunken is frown. As you can see, the expression is frown. As this dinosaur is, the mouth is red. Right here is red. The focus is come off back, but sorry guys. I'll try my best to focus clearly. You see the focus is so bad because my phone don't know what happened. Okay, you see the mouth is straight. It's kind of straight, so the expression is different. But today I'm going to review at Trunken. It's not dinosaur, just to compare with dinosaur. Let's put right here so you can see. It's kind of blur. Okay, that's good. You can see right here the design is same like guys. You can see the front headlights as this, also dinosaur, also front headlights, same design. The zoom is kind of bad. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened, but just don't care guys. I'm not pretty care about that. Okay, let's go to here, the sponsor. Let's see the sponsor right here. This time was shiny. I like the pink drop as well. Oh yeah, right here, Mood Spring right here. Show clearly to you guys. Can you see right? The logo is Mood Spring. It's so blurred, sorry guys. I need to close. Okay, now. Okay, so this option game. Then it's at Trunken. Okay, let's go to the side, guys. The side. Let's go to the left side by there. Okay, can you see guys? This is the wheels. Oh, I want to kill my phone already. The focus is kind of bad. You don't see these black wheels, these blue wheels. Let's see the wheels. You can see the wheels. It's kind of different. You can see 19. This 33 right here. So let's see the sponsor right here. Most of the sponsors same, but I just read to you guys because so kind of blur. It's kind of so small. Piston cut combustor, carbon fiber, synergy. Yeah, all sponsor. Okay, so let's go to here. Okay, can see this arrow right here, right? Is the lifting up the car and change the tire, so they know where to lift up the car. I think should be like that. Comment down below if I say it correct. If wrong, just tell me. Yeah, it's like that. So you can see this is the engine right here and the mode logo. And this is a gas cap right here. You see? Okay, let's go to here, guys. Okay, let's go to here. Let's see the what. Okay, let's see behind got what. What thing to see? Okay, let's check out this. As you can see, this mood spring right here, sponsor number 33 right at the side, as well as this Upton Game Turbo vitamins, and the number is right at 19. And this you can see the red headlights is the same. Yeah, it's about the same. Okay, here nothing much, all the same. Let's go to the top right here. Okay, let's see top what. Okay, here let me see mood spring. Okay, here number 32 right here, mood spring logo. Let's see the surf as well. Then the surf also, number 19, Upton Game Turbo Vitamins. I like the gold paint drop is quite cool as well. As well as now I'm already reviewing this at Trunken. Let's review as well as this dinosaur. Okay, because it's the same, so just review two together. So the eyes is this kind of big, the eyes is kind of small because the eyelashes closes is up, so it's more big. So I like the detail pretty much in the paint drop. It's kind of shiny. This dark blue, this purple. So got the color is about the same but it's different. Of course, it's different. Okay, and you still got a piston cup racer for this at Trunken and dinosaur. Let's see the piston cup. Oops, I just dropped Barbie saved. Okay, right here Barbie saved. So it's a piston cup racer for mood spring and Upton Game. Okay, so guys, it's the sponsor for mood spring and Upton Game. As you see, it's quite cool. So it's about the same as the next gen racer. Of course it's different. You can see Upton Game right here. As now, I sound to say now it's blur. Okay, turn the focus, guys. Sorry. Okay, that's good. Okay, so yeah, use the piston cup racer. Let's put the side first. Let's put a side right here. Okay. So today I just review at Trunken and dinosaur fly because now I already review at Trunken as well. I just reviewed dinosaur as well. So yeah, nothing much to say for you guys, and I hope you guys will like my video and subscribe to my video, please, guys, because I'll try my best to review as good as I can because I'm just a reviewer. As much cars I'm going to buy probably next week or this week. This week probably not, but I'm not very sure. So I still got more cars need to review from I buy. So I just will slowly review much, and please help me to subscribe, please, guys, and like my video. Yeah, and I'll guarantee I'll do a special review when got about, let's say, 20 or 30 like, or at least 10 subscribers. I will confirm to a special review for you guys. And yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, and nothing to say much. So probably tomorrow I'll review more cars, or next week, but probably tomorrow I'll review at least one car. So I'll try my best. Okay, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.